We will now create and include document to merge a header and footer into our letters. Please note that you must have your header or footer saved on your computer in the main body of a Word document. Select your Supervisor tab. Please note that this is only available to system supervisors. Select the Include Documents option. If any have previously been set up, they'll be listed here.
To create a new one, select New.
Give your document a relevant ID and description. Please note that the ID cannot be edited once saved. Then select Save to add the document or Cancel to discard. After saving, you'll now see your new entry in the list.
Right-click on your new Include document to bring up an Options panel.
You may change the description of your Include document by selecting the Edit button. You can also delete the document by selecting the Delete icon. We will now click on Link to view the upload options. First, select the branch you wish to use. You can set a different header and footer for each branch if you wish. If the header and footer is the same for all of your branches, you'll only need to link the first branch in the list. If you only have one branch, this will be selected by default. Now click on the Browse button. This will open an Explorer window in which you can search for the document which contains your header or footer. Left-click the mouse on the relevant file to highlight it. Now select Open.
Your document will now be visible in the Document field.
Select Save to upload and store your header or footer. Your new document will now appear.
Now return to your Include Documents list. If you wish to overwrite an existing document, right-click on it and select the Link icon.
Select the relevant branch and browse for your file as detailed previously. Highlight the relevant document and select Open. Then choose Save. This message will appear to inform you that the overwrite has been successful. Click OK to confirm.
Right-click to bring up additional options.
You may preview your document by selecting the View icon. This will show you what your header or footer will look like when it's placed into your letter. If you have multiple branches, you may remove any of the individual documents attached to them by selecting the Delete icon. We will now place our Include document into a letter. Under your Supervisor menu, select Case Management Setup. Now select Standard Letters. Then choose a letter into which you wish to place your Include document.
Right-click on it and select Fields.
A radio button for Include document should appear. Select this and a list of the available fields will be displayed.
If there is a red spot under the linked column, tick the Link Unlink box and then select Save. If there's a green spot, then the header or footer is already linked.
Select the Design Letter link to open up the template of our letter. Once open, double left-click the mouse into either your header or footer, depending on which one you wish to use. Now select the Mailings tab. Click on the Insert Merge Field icon to display a list of fields available for this document. Our new Include document will appear towards the bottom. Simply left-click on it to place it into the document. You can now select the cross to close your document. We will now preview our document as described in the Standard Letters module to ensure that the Include document has been added successfully. Select a matter to preview your letter on. We can now see that our header has been uploaded successfully.
Thank you for watching. For regular tips and tricks videos and live Q&A sessions, please follow us on Twitter @Osprey Support.